ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ಪರಗತಿಗೆ ಇದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ. ಹರಿಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ಹರಿಸ್ಮರಣೆ 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 ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ಪರಗತಿಗೆ ಇದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ. ಹರಿಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ದುರಿತ ಗಜ್ಜಕ್ಕೆ ದುರಿತ ಗಜ್ಜಕ್ಕೆ ದುರಿತ ಗಜ್ಜಕ್ಕೆ ತೀರವ ನೇಸಿದ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಪಾವನ ನೀ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಶರಣಾಗತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಪಾವನ ನೀ ಹರಿಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ಹರಿಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಕಾಯಿದ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನ ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿದ ದುರುಳ ಹಿರಣ್ಯ ದುರುಳ ಹಿರಣ್ಯ ದುರುಳ ಹಿರಣ್ಯ ಹರಿಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ತಾರುಣಿ ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ಪದಿ ಮೊಳೆ ಇಡಲಾಕ್ಷರ ಹರದಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಷಯ ವಿತ್ತ ಮಹಾತ್ಮಾನ ಭಾರದಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಷಯ ವಿತ್ತ ಮಹಾತ್ಮಾನ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠ್ಠಲರಾಯನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಗೋಡೆಯನ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಭಜಿಸಿನಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಗೋಡೆಯನ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಭಜಿಸಿನಿ ಹರಿಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ಪರಗತಿಗೆ ಇದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಹರಿಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರಂತರ ಓಂ ಹರಿ ಹರಿ
Artists are kindly requested to be on stage for all of the minutes. Now the time for comments from the audience. We kindly request Mrs. Manisha from Italy to please come on stage for comments.
Namaskara. So I want to express so much gratitude from all the audience. Thank you so much for the work you put to create this beautiful performance, the grace that you put in the dance, and your ability to share with us all these emotion and the stories from your tradition from India. Thank you so much.
Thank you for that. We would like to thank Vadkala Ranga Kala Kendram for having us here today. This is such a beautiful aesthetic space to dance. The moment we walked in, the atmosphere was so different. It was truly, truly divine. We'd like to thank Ramachandran Potti sir for having us here today, and Sujit ji on lights and sound, as well as these lovely ladies of Ranga Kala Kendram and the entire team for being such amazing hosts. And in India, the dance that we do stems from a concept called rasa, And rasa is something that we invoke in an audience. It is not possible without these beautiful rasikas in front of us. Thank you all so much. We are here because you are here. So thank you so much for spending your Sunday evening with us. Yes. Our Guru, the light of our lives, who has given us this gift of Odissi, is Guru Srimati Madhulita Mahapatra. She is usually here with us at Varkala every year, but she has a performance in Bangalore as we speak, so she couldn't be here. But Nrityantar Academy is the one that we run. We have Odissi classes in Kerala. It's a little bit difficult to find Odissi here in the south of India, but I think thanks to Didi, as we call her, we have these classes here. So yes, we would like to pay our homage to our Guru, and I'd like to introduce our dancers for this evening. We have Shrimati Shruti Ritishdi. She's from Kerala. Shruti Chechi is what we call her, and a very strong support and a backbone of Nrityantar. Another vertebra of our backbone is Mini Chechi, Shrimati Mini Somakumar. She is with us. Thank you, Didi. We have with us Nandana Shashikumar. So we have all generations. She represents Gen Z. And one more Gen Z, I'm sure you loved him, Proshun Mondal, our Shiva and our Krishna. Yeah, that's us from Nrityantar. We have a handle on Instagram if you ever want to follow us, Nrityantar Academy. We do a lot of performances in Kerala, I think Kudalmanikam Temple and a lot of places in Kerala. So please do follow if you're ever around. If you ever come to Bangalore, you're always welcome to come and visit us. If you want to try some chokar, tribhangi, bend your body a little bit, we would love to have you with us. Yeah? Okay.
Our Assistant Director of Nrityantar, Anjali Rajas.
Our beautiful host for the evening, Anjali is the backbone of Nrityantar, and she every year, beautifully explains about Odissi and gets you all into that mood. So this is Anjali, and thank you.
Did anyone want to interact with the artist? Please. Or else, okay, thank you for joining us this evening. And our next program is on December 28th. It's a Mahumohiniyattam. It's a group, Sunanda Nayak from USA. Thank you. Good night. Have a nice day.
Okay.